streamlined workspace. So let's get started by opening Slack on your desktop or through the web app. As you look to your left-hand sidebar, you'll notice it houses all your channels and direct messages. By default, the sidebar includes sections like starred, channels, and direct messages. These are already provided to help you categorize your communications, but for an enhanced level of organization tailored specifically to your needs, you can create custom sections. To begin crafting your own sections, hover over the sidebar. You'll see an option with 3 dots, often referred to as a context menu, or sometimes it will say Add Section. Click on this to initiate the process of creating a section. Next, you'll want to give this new section a meaningful name. Consider using names that relate to specific categories or projects you're working on, such as projects, clients, or internal. Once you have decided on a name, confirm it by clicking Create. Now with your new section ready, it's time to move some channels into it to start getting organized. Locate the channel or direct message that needs sorting. You can do this with a simple drag and drop. Grab that channel and drop it into the desired section. It's as easy as that. For an alternative method, right-click on a channel, navigate to Move To, and select the appropriate section from the menu. It might take a bit of time initially as you repeat this process for each channel, but trust me, it's worth it to create a neat and efficient workspace. Organizing your sections can go even further. For example, you have the ability to reorder these custom sections by dragging them up or down to suit your priorities. And if you're someone who likes to keep things tidy and minimal, collapsing sections is an excellent way to reduce visual clutter on your sidebar. And for that added touch of personality or quick recognition, consider incorporating emojis into your section titles. Little icons like fire, charts, or envelopes not only make it visually interesting but can serve as quick mental shortcuts as you scan through your sidebar. With these tips, your Slack workspace can transform from a chaotic list into an organized personal command center, allowing you to focus on communication and collaboration more effectively. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about organizing channels in Slack. I hope you found this helpful and that it empowers you to create a smoother workflow in your daily tasks.